Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Kumawood. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Talk about Too Much GH. Your brother, your brother Penny, Joe, or say Joe Sotingo. Now, more about me.
Medase.
Now, and last day final burial. Your brother Bishop Penny, Bernard Nyarko, then in Abekafa, Nimuno.
The American said, Yamin Fanny Siye. He was a so wonderful brother to me, a lovely brother. Mishiano, of I said, Nyarko. Na oneme moves near the idea. Oneme come me fear wo Kumase any baby I omo ye na near the idea. Na Orobia is like opemasem. To me any contract na me the amano. Aha.
Contract is any contract na.
Advert near the idea. Me to me work man e demand because na me penasem one so pemasem.
Okay, now yeah, I say sinichemu like then na be kind of sinichemu come as na sifa Asia.
Orobia or very creative. Yeah, creativity. The man is very creative. And the creativity no just in action, but in words.
Okay.
He was very good. The kind was a little bit peculiar in the industry. And so for him to be in the industry, and now I say, you know something unique in Kakre woman.
Okay.
And I was trying to start now. It was something of a like once a Nigeria for send your motisa brand name for now.
Yeah.
Man hintina ebefele some gabubia ebimu ejato. So usu and sansan and not 10 year. Bishop Befele sanso di bika ho. And enyoma na oye no. Now the future was more brighter,
okay.
But Bibia erade and she say I can't talk much. Name funny ye.
Okay. Now then now be catch busianfo ne adofo a bishop omo hwe omo do bishop a no mo nso mani dan so na dwumadi odi nyina mu no then na be catch rom.
Nyame tro bibia.
Now final words here then na ye bishop ye ja no final words then.
O we are say fa obi bia she radensa na bre hu ase na appreciate anything that comes na hwe hu ye
ebusa for yenya jo shotingo na ye ne no ekasa ye no ye da obi bia say go so ye de bebre na bebra how Too Much GH cause I share Too Much GH damas busia for ma kwa about Too Much GH yenya ye papa Reverend Papa Few one me say ne no be twetwe komo de afa bishop say na monity and bishop and the last day ye ja no kwan e ja ma kwa baba Too Much GH.
Oh yenia
ye sha ade ato Ghana fo ni ade ato Kumawood fo ni ade ato mani nyina ni ye ya hwiri bishop kese o sanso ye osofo anyame engosra e wono so e de na be kafa na ni mu no anase na ye ni ho ene de
well obi obeka say owo enye ya no na nipa no oboa because owo ya de bia etoa ya echebia na mehwe me mama nti no me tidia me kana se na mesre se onyankopon enhu ne mba ene nebusuafo nyina mobo. May the Lord strengthen and comfort them in times like this. But we know that blessed are the dead who die in the Lord. If you say onyankopon enam ne proba Yesu Christ so ka say I am the resurrection and the life. He who believes in me, though he dies, he shall live again, and if he lives, he shall never die. So we believe that once Bishop gave his life to the Lord through the pneumatological aberration and the eschatological divinity of the Lord, the ubiquitous philanthropic concomitants of the Lord shall triumph with him.
Okay.
And establish whatever he has left behind.
Whatever he has left. Ja, brofia kan dey mean shada anti asiu. Na no na ya kwenja na say wetimi achim kakra man.
Well, na me di kan say obi biara bishop obenu ene busiafo ne mba na dofo nyina no Ewurade hwe obi aso na say odi ne nkwama Ewurade de woma a womo de womo ama Ewurade no de atibia no say womu a owo ye womfaso e say Paul say se metiase ma Kristo ase me wu a owo eye me mfaso onyame enka ne nkrofo ho na onhye obi biara de
Ebusafo ye hwe de eja kai no so onyame nka obi a ye ne brofo kai ni nyina no e na wache ase eno. Okay. Ebusafo no akwa about too much GH na enem yenya ye bra obi ga say ye papa Sam Daku a nam no so a na yenya Kumawood ye ti obi abo Kumawood ye nam ye papa isu na e de ba eja mo akwa about too much
Mejo so
eja ye sha Kumawood for mashra de kese papa because she papa bishop Nyarko a na ne dwumedi odi na de musronko ne star no so ye different na ye ne de ne final e ka ne say akwanja ye de eja ye papa ne de na be kafa.
Okay, my that's not much omo hwe mo nyina em say ewo ne de abayem po film ana ye ka say so owo krade am 20 minutes enti de asi no ye mfa nchechire ho re me hye industry for no nyina crying say ye ma de asi ne nkona fe ye hwe kwan be fa so a e be repackage ye ho na yetimanya replacement obetime abebo ama industry netime akoso em say esi ye ne yaba hwehwe bebia ma toto ne mama sebe yakwa akopɛ no krabre enti no yada munyina ma sese mo somaboa ama bibi say so esi
ajo se do bia dan pese musa won say Kumawood e nan sen em sem dumedie no aba from kakra na den na ma na basa na den so na moye e dey afam because eno na Ghana for e ma me mo ye bebre e dey chichi yenu den na moya fa
aba from because of say ye wo bibi ti say every decade bia no bibi sisa what you say ye ba industry na ye the free video deck piano nko ena ba CD ena eba ese aba social media na saare no aho na yentimi anya fast and chia ye ho kakra ena mana basa but encourage minim say ibini master tia e use that medium no e dey promote movies kakra okay
won say ana finish no ye sha other Nigerians no e bi ma komani to Netflix sanyoma na bi ana bi kan ko Ghana na ye one TV akodi Netflix like I know say na moya fan because ana finish no be say musa we kan na kan na Kumawood fo no ye le win ni ada was to be ade no wa share to media fufuro ma omo ye ntia ba ne sa mba den akoma bom na masanso edi mu tumedi am.
Okay, in fact say ada we no na Kumawood ye bi ti say Kumawood app ah de amount for your movies ni na go amount for ehwe skakra ba on producers no timenya nti ye gusu aye ne kakra bi no master team so ye your app we believe say no so betima boa and I say be ye be come together no individual no be awon adwuma wo ye what you say nti say do say me call location as me yan lewe na me friend na obeba upon the oye nyina no obeba abeye na wako but the amana aye ni say omo ye investors omo do musika trusting no omo na direct but actors ne crew for no they are there but omo do musika ehiem no na omo direct bia ko ye mobile phones ne adade ene na ma ase yetimi pick but young ones no so ba amount for so do mo
den na man basa so omo jai sponsor no sponsor Kumawood no mo musika
say business and a business bia no so we na say e kofo ma na wa dabet on we na osika kwasho nti omo no they are businessmen ye na ye industry players and I say na sebe ye dey try from antino there's no way I bet me film but obi on no dey sika e be shemu dey or the shape bi mu na say enkwa so oba father bi for and na ko ba na sa but I think say ebi mo so eba o mahu the different trend no yeah work on it yeah
okay that one na eneye last day ayeja bishop kan then na be catch bishop adofo ebusiafo anyone na odo bishop
yeah they make catch bishop fans ne ebusiafo nyina ne say yeah shedding esi etwase nipa wu what you say obi ba wi ase a otimi wu 1 year obi tia 10 years obi nya 100 years enti no ya na years no matter but the meaning is say e dey na wo so o be ya na wo dey ja because e din e na wo say wo ja wo din pa e dey to ho eni se bia japade kakra do be ja obusuafo enti mesra say obi an hwe ne ho so yie na se o ye bibia na wakai say so wo ja wo din pa to ho se ne ne bishop kwa ye boni din no menim say sana sabi obi an so kwa obeja din pa to ama ya bo
Mr. Sam Daku yedawase
mesmo da sepa
Ediafo se ne okan en church ensemu no too much GH yegusua e de jumede ne bro too much GH royalty and credibility ana investigate to aso tafa mo akwa ba too much GH na yenye papa Star Emmanuel France e wo hanum se ne betwe nkomo em se senya munyina munim kane cheche kule ya fini ye pa na ne so ye ne wa be piem wo ha e wo bishop Nyarko akwenja na ye ja no kwan no ne no e betwe nkomo afa bishop no that is you are welcome to Too Much GH.
Okay, thank you. Too much GH.
Yes, please.
Well, if there could be so many people to attend a funeral of a celebrity at the time when there is a restriction, yes sir, there's restrictions, there's danger, there's coronavirus, and you see thousands of people just to attend the funeral of one great man, you know that that man is really great. You know that that man has actually contributed his great quota to the organization he belongs to. The film industry, the film organization, the entertainment profession, and so on and so forth. And he must have lived a very good life. He must have impacted on several people, and hence we are all here, from far and from near and far.
That today being the last day, what would you like to say to the family, the friends, the loved ones that cherish Bishop Bernard Nyarko?
Well, we all cherish him. That's why we are here, and we are here to give them console them, and to give them the spirit that all is not lost. Death is only a transition. He's only gone to the next world, and even in this next world, we still believe that he will still care for those he has left behind. And those he has left behind should know that by the grace of God, he is resting in perfect peace.
All right. Those he has left behind, that he is resting in perfect peace. Ebusian for ye papa Emmanuel France ana etwetwe enkomo no ye to adwumedie no eso. Too much at your former about too much any day. You say, "Ye Bishop Quina," and then soon a dofo na abe pepe mu anti ama yensa aka ohima ye osibo ex-wife ohima na ye nbetwe nkomo. Me nwa ba ma kwa about too much.
Ye nwa.
Na any day you be pepe mu ha no say you be ado bishop ye na den na be fa bishop ni wo no hu ni ade ato adna dofo nyina.
Ade ameka fa bishop ye no ni se bi ni wo ne ho ni se eyare ho. Because Bishop Yobia, you share movie industries, na obone umodi ye pa wadofo bebre so amanfo hwe ni movie afutuo ni adisia de we are acting ni ade enti ni wo ni ba no na big blow e de magana fo nyina but sabi said ye kasenya owo krade nkwa ntumenje na say enya si enti enene da say ye na to mpemu a ye na ye ni ade nti ahande wo hwe ha say are ho me aka sam so down because of Bishop Ewu no.
So I'm so that because of show now. Obet me Bishop like Otiasi no we need din share kwame so na sifa Asia Bishop and then na Bishop ayi obet me the Akai Bishop.
In fact, me personally the Bishop me na ni share that me hu na TV so but na me penny movie pa because na or act or the hu nyina shame ahun say like ofiri ni pem act robi ade mani bia tina me penasem e wosade ene ho enu tina ma me wona yi ase say Ghana ya shra de kese ba me hu de me na ni hia da
na ni hia na then I wait me the Akai Bishop e bia ne character bia na party bi play o movie bi mu na sem bi o kan ya o de bet me the Akai
nensam de bebre kwa ba de me de kai ne pa ye ne movie bia say na ne maami fi akura se ba ya na ne wife apamo ne maami se onko na woni ho se den that side no or play good pa so e ho na me de kai no.
Okay, your final words to Bishop ne busuafo na adofo nya den na
me final word to Bishop ne family ne adofo ne ebusuafo ne Ghana fo nya so bia nje hye ne wre na de nyame pe e na oye na nyankopon so e ma no baby papa entna so we meet again. We love you.
Until we meet again, we love you. Busuafo munua be ma na your boy ni hi too much GH. Na ye nsa kan ye brother Libya burger cow and chicken ye ni be twin komo so be pie mu onu so be ja Bishop kwan fefefe. Munua be ma ma kwa ba too much.
Menua medawase na so ho te san de.
Na me ado me ho ye. Na etiefo person mu so be pie mu ha na se ni wa be din hia mu ha no. Then I bet me akafa Bishop ne yi akoso.
Oh, menua eye adane nkoja na mere aho bebre and every impactor Bishop create and as the aba movie industry mo me hu ne nche ya na ye nyina hu e bia no wo but opie yes star ne nche dan nche but the impact is so great and me first saw a brother me share a couple of times bi o Ghana Test Guild bi o so a movie mu ne ade ye twa ninsam de mekasa meka bebre meka say president winning Ghana Test Guild Mr. Fisher winning okosrasra ayarefo all regions ne nyina mo actors veterans for ne ade na ye dru Kumasi no Bishop ka omo je tata Kumasi ne call rounds nyina okosrasra ayarefo de call omo mayor honum nyina ne ade Kumasi nti Bishop de na say me na di nkomo several times nti adan na Bishop akaba bia member idea touch me really hard na me feel say Otias Azizu menye sika bia mana na nye say we free asasi so Bishop has really contributed a lot to this movie industry nti na me wa ha na me see me nuas on dem refedi me bomba years Nyankopon kokomo de ehwa na obekwa akonya ne trabia na one day she ya na se ne nya bibia ama enyame nti na me wo ha na ya me support kakra metime de apia Bishop so on dem fedwe no na yie.
Okay, Bishop eti abase ma mo dem fedwe na Bishop ende ye na enen so ekoja Bishop no eden na betimi dia kai Bishop so den poti bia character bi o play ya na asem bi o ka chewe bia
the Bishop de me de be kai ne say so o act movie so o ye serious say o ma ya ka say obi a naturally gifted in terms of acting. Bishop is cut across na see the o ye bia na I say mannerism bia asabia ne ya o ye bi no na ya definitely no de bia me ka say ono de ne dia ba different and nobody can take it from him. Me kai no me hum bi say me rory channels grana me hum Bishop say the movie near quickly I just switch on and as I'm holding on to where Bishop is to watch because it was really coming up. See Bishop there.
Okay, na enya sa akonya we yenya no so movie no Ghana industry no so ye den wo movie. En sama Bishop e ka fa ho se bia movie na say Kumawood ye say then na betimi aka
Bishop enioma bebre ho kan ye no kore. Oka no kore bebre ho movie industry we say de anya no kore. Ye mpa ye ho asem is a fact. Ana otan hunu keke otan yeah okosura we all started rise so we start now rise yeah instead of you need push so here Nigeria say o have it bito do chinum time omo creative way ma Olu Jacobs nom na hwe yankrofo sango Ramsey no wanom Jamaica nom na omo creative e kwan ma non so nom ne Michael nom
and I'm relaxing. Over Genevieve Nomina, I'm creating way no more. Other actors are here. They say, "Ocean Nigerian movie as a baby and about you say, why to be double, be double, and also be double." Peter, don't you know creative way? Na hanum there. Yet so just say we have good talent. If we give them the opportunity, they will excel. But industry na ekitu ebi na entimi peja na ekwa ani aba for ekwa. There's confusion everywhere, my brother. I'm part of it.
Okay, now maybe so that confusion no try free.
Charlie, ultimately who's a way putting at the end, but there's nothing when you are pushing it works. They say there has been a lot of NFA inaugurate NFA, National Film Authority. Program started super. They are not working. They are not doing anything. Only I think November or December 20th. Inaugurate yes, December 20th. And inaugurate but people have started pushing. If Corona, but into movie industry, there's what can say we are. Meet me prepare. It is a way, but things are really slow and just few ones be just few.
Things are very slow. Now say a shame. I'm come at movie. No, or don't you team?
Oh, don't it? I'm Pia Bonti and almost stress. It's a fact, and I don't run away from it. Yeah,
this is a fact. We dey know West Africa. Nene la dey na catch Bishop Adolfo Ebusuafo ni woma. Omunso omuto.
The make job me say na Ebusuafo dem ma me ne papa me nim ye pass o ba na zo ni baba sama take akra. Oh, ba Magma 5.
Shebuku ni mamba 5.
That's beautiful. Why are there? Pa me wasan in Bonti. Me de nyame say wa wo bebre sa ne man na me mom dem fedwe. Me bompa ye say Nyankopon san ko ne man ho. Na omu papa enyuma pa obeye wo Ghana movie industry no nyame hwe so no onfam pagya nkwara no ne ma me ne papa me mom yakọ se enye enna from de but obeye ne dan owu akurade a obedin timinchi eno na me wo
Ebusuafo Libya burger cow and chicken ye no edwetwe enkomo no ka cho se de bia da no hwe too much GH ne woni pa e di mawo aha na